Oh, my sister, stop! Let's make a fashion show! I feel like a Versace model. Nah, Gucci's more my style. Make way, ladies! The queen is entering! Street sleep style!
No! Give it back!
Oops!
That's enough! We're splitting the room. There you go.
Ooh.
Thank you. I love my new bed. It's so comfy too. A little dusty, but that's okay. Oh, I think I have the best idea. All I need is a little pink paint. I just need to dip these puppets real quick. Wow! OMG, they're perfect! Just what I needed! Now I can pop them all day! What is he doing?
Rock on! Yeah!
This is unbearable! Oh no! What did he do? I can't believe this is happening again! He's so mean!
Aw, sister, what the? Ew, she and her stupid colorful makeup. Ew, tastes disgusting. I have a much better idea for this. Yeah, practically genius. I just have to mix it up. When we mix all the colors, we get black. Yeah, I'm so smart. It's so cool. Okay. Yeah.
He makes me so angry. Puppets are so relaxing. I have to file my nails to make them super pretty. Huh? What could I use this for? Wait. I think I might have an idea. This sounds so great. This is going to be fun.
What the? What is that awful sound? I can't listen to this. Yeah, that's more like it.
I'm almost done. It's going to be so pretty. Just like I thought. Perfect. Now I have a little shelf. I love it. And I love the bubbles as well.
Oh, what is wrong with her? I really can't take this anymore. Huh? Dad's VHS? What are these? Doesn't matter, I have an idea. I'm going to make them useful. Now stick them together. Yeah, now that's a real man's shelf. Nice. Okay, what do I do now? I guess I could play it. What? You have to be so annoying.
Well, yeah.
I just can't stand you anymore. Oh my god, this is so relaxing. Oh, I love this sound. I think I just might. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm going to put it here and make the best decoration.
Funny? I wonder if... Oh, yes. I'm going to decorate my part of the room to be so pretty. There it is. It worked. Wow. I'm going to put it up here. I feel like a real princess. And of course, my love. No, go away.
Ha! Now you're even cooler.
My elephant.
He's mine now.
No, he's not. Give him back now. My elephant. Oh, but wait. I see. Wow, this is so beautiful! There's always an opportunity in every situation, even the bad ones. My room is so beautiful. I wonder what other ideas I will have. Oh, here comes one. And I know exactly what to do with this. I'm going to use these tubes to make the most awesome room decoration ever. Can you guess what is it going to be? OMG, this rainbow is so cute! I have decorated my room to look magical and dreamy. Now I can sleep peacefully.
Look at her. She's so lame. Wait, what is that? Wait a minute. I think... Yeah, like I thought. Genius. Now my room looks so cool. Ha! That's not all. I have more material to work with. Now that is what a room should look like. Cool. This is priceless. Hey sis, look what I have.
Aw, what is that? It's so pretty. Give it to me.
Yeah, sure. Come and get it.
I love candy.
Gotcha! It's just a spider. Chill. Good one, Justin. I know, I'm hilarious. This pillow won't do. I need to upgrade it. And this glitter foam will do the trick. I need to cut out a circle and then cut it in half. I'll start with this piece. First, I'll shape it into a cone. A little glue will hold it in place. This is perfect. Ooh, pointy. Now I'll put it onto the pillow. It's not finished yet. That's more like it. Yeah!
Aw, baby, you're so adorable. Huh? That pillow is so dark and scary. My pillow will be cute. Just like me. I know just what to do. I'll stick the heart to it, and I'll add some ribbons. That's it. I knew it would be cute. Let's try it out. So soft. It's like lying on a cloud. What happened?
Mommy, I did an ouchie. I mean, it's just how I like it. Oh, stop it! Okay, I'm starting to regret this.
Ice cream. And I've got my favorite soda. Oops, that's not very ladylike. I have an idea. A bright idea. I need the top of this bottle. Wow, those bicep curls are paying off. Okay, now I need the spoon. I can't waste any ice cream. I'll snap the spoon in half. This will do. Then I'll put a spot of glue on the bottle and press the spoon onto it. But I need more. At least I'm not using Mom's silverware. I don't need the handle. This is going well. My lamp is finished. Wow! I can't forget the bulb. Now for the finishing touches. I have some cotton. I'll stick it to the top of the lamp. It's so fluffy. I'll hang it right here. Let's switch it on. Wow! It's amazing! It makes the room so cozy. I could look at it all day and night. What's next? Maybe I should...
Oh, my skateboard! I wonder where it was. Thanks, sis. I have an idea. Let's do this. I've borrowed Dad's tools. I'll start by removing the wheels. DIY is so easy. I don't know why Dad complains all the time. I'll put some glue across the board. That should hold the lights in place. Check this out. Haha. Crunchy. Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. It's a bit bright. I need my sunglasses.
Smile, kitty! These selfies are great. Huh? Oh, a balloon. Wait, maybe I can make some more. It's worth a try. Wow, do I have superpowers? This is amazing! Yeah! More? Look at all these balloons!
Pathetic! Balloons are for little kids! You want to see something really cool? Watch this! It's time for some target practice!
No!
There's more where that came from. You better take cover.
Stop it! Why are you doing this? No! Justin, you're such a piece of...
I won't be long, my darlings. I'm so lucky to have such lovely children.
Pink little pony!
This'll show her. This is the best idea yet. Yeah, she won't suspect a thing. It's the perfect fit. Whoa, just in time.
Look at all these snacks. Just don't tell my dentist. This is tiring. Oh, I need a rest. This is better. Justin!
It's a joke. Relax.
Oh, you're the worst. Huh? Where did he go? My bed! He's ruined it! Oh, my soft, cozy bed! Maybe it's not so bad. I can work with that. And I need my candy. I'll pour my candy into this Justin-shaped hole. Wow! This looks much better than Justin. Now I'll cover it up. No one will ever know. It will be my secret. I can have candy whenever I want. Like right now. So tasty. And it's all mine. You know, Justin did me a favor. Yummy.
It's good to share, Mr. Skull. Now give me the candy. It's so good. What else do you have? Gummy bears instead of brains. Don't mind if I do. These are so good. Oh, bang goes my diet.
Oops. Ick. A pimple.
Huh? I look like a nerd.
Make it go away! There's only one tool for it. Don't squeeze, don't squeeze! Go away! That feels better. Wait, my beautiful skin! It looks worse! I look hideous!
This pimple is ruining my wrap. Sis, you got a pimple too?
I'm so ugly now!
Don't worry. I think I've got something to cover it. Try this.
Edit too? How does it look? It's so nice! Let me help you too. Don't move.
Cool. Thunder. Thanks, sis.
Okay, this is weird. This toy is so squishy. This bed is a little boring. I think I know how to fix it. I need this pillow. Well, I need this stuffing. Look at it! It's so beautiful! I love it! It's like something from a fairy tale!
That's too girly. I need something with a little more heat. This'll do. Time to get to work. Haha, this is gonna be awesome. I'm a cutting machine. Okay, that looks good. Now to paint it. I'm on fire. Haha, that's lit.
Kisses for Daddy? This tickles! Wow, these lights are perfect!
Huh? Hey, my eyes! I'm emo. I'm not supposed to be in bright light. Whew, that's better. I'm hungry. I'll grab a snack. What treats have you got, Mr. Skull? Oh, it's a little gooey in here. Ew, gross! You know, it reminds me of... I'm not eating that. Oh, I know. I'll put some foam in this box, then add a base. I'll put more foam around the sides and line it with the silver card. Then I'll make sections. This is just what I need. Next, I'll attach some hinges. I'll glue them into place. Who needs screws anyway? Then I'll add a glass door. All that's left is to put in a light. A fridge for my snacks. That's pretty cool. Literally. I gotta keep people out of it. That should do it. Now my candy is safe.
I'm so hungry. I need a snack. It's so melted. Ew. There's chocolate everywhere. Huh? He has a fridge?
It's beautiful. Just look at that candy.
Justin, can I have some?
Huh? Yeah, sure. Here.
Thanks.
No problem.
Justin, Lola, lunch is ready.
Yes, Mom.
Typical. I'll keep this for later. I've got a great plans. Yeah. What happened in here?
All our hard work, it's
Who
gone.
would do this?
Darlings, I cleaned up your room. It was such a mess.
Thanks, Mom.
What are we gonna do now?
Maybe the PlayStation?
I always beat you.
I let you win.